Hello everyone. So we have square root of the square root of 9 minus the square root of 8 to be simplified. So if we start by saying solution, we can consider the square root of 9 to be equal to 3, and we decide to write 8 into 4 times 2. And we split 8 into 2, which is 4 times 2. So in place of 9, we're writing 3 and square root of 8, 4 times 2 as 3 minus square root of 4 times 2. Again here, this will become square root of 3 minus square root of 4 times square root of 2. And the next line will be square root of 3 minus square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 2. And the next line will become 3 can be written as 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 1, because square root of 1 is 1 times square root of 2 is the same as square root of 2, so we are fine. So if we agree on this, we can decide to rearrange it as here it will be 2 minus 2 square root of 2 times square root of 1 plus 1, which is the same as the previous line. So we can consider a raised to power 2 minus 2ab plus b squared to be equals to a minus b all squared. This difference of 2 square, where a should be square root of 2 and b square root of 1. So from our equation, we can see that a is square root of 2, and when it is squared, square root of 2 squared is 2 minus 2 times a, which is square root of 2, times b, which is square root of 1, plus b squared. Square root of 1 squared is 1. So we are fine with this. So we are going to use this to represent this, and it becomes square root of 2 minus square root of 1 all squared. So the square will enable us to cancel out the square root. So definitely we have square root of 2 minus square root of 1. And this has to be in the modulus absolute value. So if we do this, because the square root of 2 is given to be 1.414, yeah, and so our answer will be in the positive. That is to say, square root of 2 minus 1 will be our simplified form of this. Thank you for staying tuned.